Mack Anthem. Mack Anthem, a new flagship model of the truck which replaced the well-known Mack Titan, which was produced almost 10 years. Anthem differs from other trucks due to rectangular headlights, as well as vertical decorative strips on the grille and bumper. The Anthem is available with Mack's MP8 13-liter engine with up to 505 horsepower and 1,860 pounds-feet of torque depending on spec. The 11-liter Mack MP7 is available as an option with up to 425 horsepower and 1,560 pounds-feet of torque. Mack's Super Econodyne downspeeding packages are available with both engines. DAF XF. DAF is a famous Dutch automaker. The XF series was presented as the top model of the truck. DAF puts on its trucks XF inline 6-cylinder engines that meet the environmental standards of Euro 6. These engines have a turbocharger and 12.9-liter displacement, and its power is 510 horsepower and 2,500 Nm of torque. For hard and exhausting work, this is more than enough. Iveco Stralis. Iveco Stralis truck is by the Italian company Iveco SPA. Iveco Stralis is equipped with various Cursor power units. They are all 6-cylinder 24-valve diesel with direct fuel injection. The most powerful variant of the engine has a displacement of 12.9 liters and a power of 560 horsepower. Also, for motors of the Cursor family is characterized by the presence of a decompression motor brake of excess power. International Lone Star. The result of the joint activity of Harley-Davidson and the giant among the truck manufacturers, Navistar International, was the limited edition of the Lone Star model. The main features of the tractor are its 15-liter engine with a capacity of 608 horsepower, and the permissible total mass, which, including the semi-trailer, is 63 tons. Freightliner Cascadia. Freightliner Cascadia, a powerful and comfortable truck of North American production, produced since 2007. Freightliner Cascadia is the epitome of a true American truck. Large, spacious, comfortable, and powerful. Under the hood, Cascadia is a 15.6-liter diesel engine, Detroit DD16 from a manufacturer such as Detroit Diesel. This is the largest and most powerful engine ever assembled on Detroit Diesel. It has 608 horsepower. Mercedes-Benz Actros SLT. The Actros SLT truck is at the top of the Mercedes cargo line. The Mercedes-Benz SLT is powered by the Mercedes-Benz OM473 inline 6-cylinder engine. 15.6 liters displacement, maximum 460 kilowatts, 625 horsepower of output, and up to 3,000 Nm of torque are the credentials of the BlueTEC 6 engine. Superlative performance and robustness are outstanding characteristics of this engine. MAN TGX. MAN TGX are trucks that have been produced by MAN since 2007. MAN TGX trucks were created for heavy-duty transportation for long distances. The truck is equipped with a straight 6-cylinder 15.2-liter D3-876 engine. For maximum efficiency, the engine has 2 turbochargers and a common rail injection system. The result is the official 640 horsepower and 3,000 Nm of torque. Volvo FH16. 6 cylinders in a row with 16 liters of displacement. It's about the Volvo FH16 with 700 horsepower. In 2009, it was the current record holder for the power of its engine. That is, the most powerful truck in the world at that time. Adding today to the capacity of another 50 horsepower, this truck continues to be one of the 3 most powerful in the world. And 3,550 Newton-meters of torque give this giant, with any slope and with almost any load, incredible strength and power. Scania R730. As you understand, European producers nevertheless have their aces in their sleeves. After all, the truck Scania R730 of Swedish production is the most powerful serial truck in the world. The name encrypts its power, which is 730 horsepower with a torque of 3,500 Nm. Under the hood is V8 16.4-liter turbo diesel, which is capable of providing the truck with such efficiency. Shockwave. Shockwave is a custom-built race truck equipped with 3 huge J34-48 Pratt & Whitney jet engines originally out of US Navy T-2 Buckeye airplanes. These 3 jet engines generate a total of 21,000 pounds of thrust, which easily propels this truck to speeds over 350 miles per hour while racing an airplane down the runway. Shockwave is not only the most powerful truck in the world, it also holds the record speed for semi-trucks at 376 miles per hour, and half a kilometer it flies in just 6.5 seconds. That's all, friends. Thanks for watching. Write in the comments which of the trucks you like the most. Also, click the like button and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any new interesting videos.